integers means one of the number system. Integers is called as one of the
number system.
Do you know what is number?
Yes.
What is number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are called numbers. Okay. How many numbers are there? Infinite, unlimited. You cannot say so many. In different answers you can give. So many numbers are there. Unlimited. You cannot count them. You cannot say them how many are there. So, but starting number you know. What is the starting number? 1. Why do you use the numbers? To count anything. Only to count objects. Especially the intention of numbers. What is the intention of numbers? Counting only. After counting, we will find some situations of addition. We will find some situations of subtraction. Sometimes we will add something. Sometimes we will subtract something. Sometimes we will multiply. Sometimes that according to situation. Okay, the situation what you are facing, according to that you will add and you will subtract. Okay, and multiply, division. Manwar, watch here. So for counting we are using the numbers. When you are counting you are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Okay. So I have asked a question to you. So Yashwant, how many brothers do you have? 1. He counted himself and he said the answer. So Dina, how many fingers do you have? 10. So you counted your fingers and you said. Okay. Is it or not? Numan, how many hairs do you have? You can count and you can say some number. Yes or no? Can't you count? Difficult, but can't you count? It is difficult, but can you count or not? So you can separate it and you can count it now. Maybe it take 1 day, it take 2 days, but you will count it. And you can say something 1,25,364 example. So you can say like that. Yes or no? So now I am asking you, how many apples are there in this classroom?
1.
Where is the apple? I am not asking apple photo. I am asking apples. How many apples are there here?
0.
No apples. But you said numbers are starting from 1 only, no? You said numbers are starting from 1. 0 is where is 0 there? You said to me numbers are starting from 1. Can I ask first question to you?
Yes.
Then what did you say? 1 star you said. Now you are saying 0. 0 is not there, you are saying. But 1 is not enough, no. To say sometimes 0 also needed. For counting, 0 also needed. When if nothing are there, then what do you say the number?
0.
You will say the number
0.
When objects are there, then you say the number. But nothing are there, then what do you say?
0.
Means numbers not only from 1, 2, 3, 0 also needed. What is needed?
0.
Also needed. So the first numbers we are saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all numbers you said, these are called natural numbers. What are these called?
Natural numbers.
These natural numbers are denoted by n.
Yeah.
Now when I ask this question to you, how many apples are there here? You said, sir, there are no apples. So for that also one number is needed, no? What is that number you said as?
0.
With 0 also needed in the numbers. That's why we have to take the numbers with 0. Where should the 0 should come here? After 6?
No. Before
1, 0. That's why 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am keeping like that means no ending number, limited, unlimited. So and these are, when I joined the 0 for the natural numbers, these are called as
whole numbers.
And whole numbers are denoted by
W.
Whole numbers are denoted by
W.
And you are saying in this situation, up to like this situation, some situation you said 0 is needed, no? Now I will discuss some situations with you. I will discuss some situations. In that situations, what are the numbers we will use? You say. Okay. Shall I discuss some situations to you?
Yes.
The situation number 1 is your father's. I think so many children will get the pocket money here.
Yes.
So pocket money means your father or mother will give you money weekly once or monthly once. I will give 50 rupees or 100 rupees to you. Whatever you want, you will purchase. Your father will give to you like this. Suppose you think Mahendra is having the pocket money. Okay. Mahendra is, they are earning money in the shop every day. That's why father, whenever he asks, father will give the money to him. No? Really? You are not getting pocket money? I think daily pocket money. Huh? So I know you are spending a lot of money from your home. I know about that. Problems are forever. All are there. But children are thinking about problems also nowadays. Very happy. So okay, if you have the pocket money, okay. Mahendra is getting pocket money. His father gave him 100 rupees to him. So I am saying like that. His father gave him 100 rupees. Then I asked him, how much money is there with you, Mahendra? I asked him. Then he said to me, I have 100 rupees. What did he say?
I have 100 rupees.
I have 100 rupees, he said. This is the sentence he said to me. But I want to write that mathematically. Because I am a math student, I won't use letters. I won't use any words. Like these words I won't use. I have, like that I won't use. I want to show completely in words, in figures. In numbers only I want to show. You understand what I am discussing? In numbers only I want to show. Then what I have to show is this number. Can I show like this? No. Those are listen in online, don't go forward. Just before only, just listen. So what it is? 100 rupees. 100 rupees, no man.
Yes.
I said to you, how many rupees are there with you? Means mathematically what you will write? 100 only, no? I am asking to you, how many benches are there here? Means what you will say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you will write 12, no? Mathematically, how do you show that? Like this you show that. Like that, how much money do you have? Means you will say like that. So 100 rupees. So how little like that. Now, what happened next day? The next day, he spent some money. He spent some money for purpose. What purpose? He went and purchased the chicken puff. For 30 rupees, he purchased the chicken puff and ate. Now, his father asked him question. How much money do you have today? What do you say?
70 rupees.
So mathematically, he said to write on the board somewhere, and we have written like that 70. The next day, from the school trip, we want to go to movie. For that 20 rupees charge is there. Then he is ready to watch the movie. Then he gave the 20 rupees to the school trip. Then next day evening, his father asked him, how much money do you have?
50 rupees.
So write on the board. We see we have written like that. Okay. The next day, so in your school, uncles are coming. Notebook, pen, no pencil, map to bring and come. Do you remember?
Yes.
That uncle came here to show magic things. He will show, dancing pencil. So many he will show to you. Then he want to purchase them all. 40 rupees he purchased. Then next day his father asked him, how much money do you have?
10 rupees.
He said 10 rupees and he have written 10. Okay. You understand?
Yes.
Next day what happened? So he want to purchase the paneer puff today. And he asked what is the cost of the paneer puff. Then he said it is 20 rupees. Can he buy?
No.
But he want to buy. Mahendra is very jidd. That's it. Ladla. He will ask compulsory. But father is not there. Father gives the pocket money next day or next to Monday. But he don't have the money. Father is not available. Father will not give the money that day. Then what he will do? What he
He
will
ask
do?
for his mother.
So in your school also it is common. What he will do? When sometime money is not adjustable, what he will do? He will ask his friend. You tell me back tomorrow. Did you ask anybody like that or not?
Yes.
Yes, it is common. I also asked it when I am small. So you ask, he is asking his friend, Dheeraj, 10 rupees given today, I will give tomorrow. Is it or not? So he asked for the Dheeraj, how much? 10 rupees. Already he have 10 rupees, no. He asked for the Dheeraj. Then what happened? 10 will become 20. Then he have taken the paneer puff and he ate happily. He went to home. Then his father asked him, how much money is there with you?
0.
It is wrong. Money 0 is there with you. Is that only your position?
No. Minus 10.
Listen, man, what I am saying to you, you don't think you came to online class, no, don't think, just go back on it. You wait for some time. You don't need to talk. So what happened? Your father asked you, then you said you have 0, you said. But exactly you think is your position 0 only? 0 only is your position?
No.
Your position is not 0. You have borrowed some money from your friend. Did you borrow the money from your friend or not?
Yes.
That is your position. When your father is asking, you have to say, I have 10 rupees. Next day when you are asking, you have to say, if you say, I have 0 rupees only, means you are lying. You are not saying about that money, borrowed money. Yes or no?
Yes.
You said you have 0 only, means what your father is thinking, you have 0 only. Maybe next day he said, pocket money cancel, I was not giving. Then how can you give the money to Dheeraj? Can you give the money to Dheeraj?
No.
That's why you have to say your father no. Truth you have to say no. What should we say? You have to say the truth. What do you will say truth? I borrowed 10 rupees from my friend. You will say I borrowed 10 rupees from my friend. Okay. So up to yesterday, what you are going to say the sentence to your father? I have 10 rupees. But this day what are you saying?
I borrowed
10 rupees from my friend. This you have to say compulsory. If you don't say what will happen, you are going to lie in front of your father. If you say like that, it is not lying. You said truth. What is your position? Means you said, my money totally completed. Not only that, I borrowed 10 rupees from my friend also. But what I am saying to you, these are sentences. If you want to show this situation in number, how do you show? This situation when you are showing, I have 100 rupees means you are showing like this. I have 70 rupees means you are showing like this. I have 50 rupees means you are showing like that. I have 10 rupees means you are showing like this. When you borrow 10 rupees also, if you show like that, it will be wrong. Why? Because these two situations are same.
No.
But in number both are looking same, no.
Yes.
This is also looking 10, this is also looking 10. But is it correct? Both are same?
No.
Not same. Here you have 10 rupees, here you borrowed 10 rupees. Here you have 10 rupees, here you borrowed 10. These two situations are different, but we are showing numbers same. Wrong, no? So means mathematically, for these situations, for this type of situations, you have to show in different manner, in another manner. I think you are understanding. I said to just now only. How many apples are there?
Zero.
Zero number is not there. No, first. Means for that situation, number is not there for me. That's why you introduced the number. What number you introduced? Zero introduced and you write it. Now this situation number is not. I cannot write this. For this situation, I cannot write. Can you write? I can't write. Means some other numbers are needed. No. Some other numbers are needed. Like zero. Here zero you don't know. But you asked, sir, one more number needed. Not there means what I have to write? Then one number you have introduced. What is that? Zero. Introduce that you have written. Here for this situation, I don't have. Up to here, this situations I have the chance. But for this situations, I don't have chance. So that's why we will introduce some system. We will
Introduce.
what system we will introduce, you know. When you borrowed the money, you show like this. When you borrowed the money, you show like this. Now these both are looking different, no?
Yes.
When you have the money, you show like this. When you borrowed the money, you show like that. When you have the money, you show like this. This is also you have no. You show like that. You have no. You show like this. You have no. You show like this. So means how do you read this? Plus 100, plus 70,
Plus 50, plus 10, minus 10.
So borrowing money means you show in this manner. Now what is this is called? Minus
10.
minus.
10.
Do you understand? In
Yes.
this situation, some situations you have to show like this. So now I am saying some situations to you. Can you say to me what number you have to show them? Yashwant is having 500 rupees with him. Yashwant is having 500 rupees with him. How do I show mathematically?
Plus 500.
Plus
500.
Okay. Shivudu borrowed 1000 rupees from his father.
Minus
Then how do you write mathematically? Minus 1000. Okay. So Yashwant is having 500 rupees and what is it? Shivudu is borrowed money 1000 rupees from his father. So means you are saying numbers like this, no? Now I am asking to you, whose position is better in this? Yashwant position is better. Shivudu position is better. Yashwant position is better. Shivudu position is not better than Yashwant. Do you accept this or not?
Yes.
When you see only numbers, you will say which number is bigger. This is bigger, you say. Only numbers if you see, this is bigger, you say. But this is only bigger position. Which is bigger position?
500.
So this number is bigger and this number is
Small.
this number is bigger, this number is
Smaller.
okay. Now Munwar have borrowed 20 rupees with his brother.
Minus.
How do you show that number?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. Charan does not have money with him. Charan do not have money with him. How do you show?
Zero.
What is how do you show?
Zero.
Now say whose position is better here? Charan position only better. Because Munwar borrowed money from his brother. So which is bigger here? Zero is why I am asking like that questions, you know, I want to know in numbers where should I write these numbers? Minus numbers where should I write? Plus numbers where should I write? Like that I have doubt. That's why I am asking this question. I am thinking numbers I have to write like this. 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 minus 3. Like that I want to write. Is it correct?
No.
Why not correct?
Because we should not get two sides.
Why? Why? Why should you you take like this? What is the reason? Shall I say the reason? Reason. You know the number system when you are writing number systems, you write number line, you write no? You know that when you are writing number line, if you take two numbers, which is right side that is bigger, which is left side that is
Smaller.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Here you see now 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, which is right side. Right side, right side.
Minus 1.
I think actually what is our manner? Which is right side that is bigger, I said no. Minus 1 is right side means minus 1 is bigger. Just now we have discussion. Charani is more than that man, no. 0 is bigger, minus 1 is smaller. So that's a smaller number should be which side?
Left side.
Left hand side, no. That's why this minus 1 where should be there?
0 before
Here
0.
minus 1 should be there. Minus 2.
Before plus 1.
So what should I write here? Minus 3. So minus 3 is
Before 2.
you understand? The numbers you should write like that. 0 in middle, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, like that up to infinite right side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, up to minus infinite left hand side. Okay. Here also maybe you get doubts. Sir, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, why are you writing like that? Minus 3 here, minus 2 here, like that. Maybe you get doubts. Sir, I will not write like this. I will write like this. See here? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this if I write. Is it right?
No.
This is also not right. Why you know? See here. Minus 1 to minus 4. Okay, numbers here. Here also doubt is there. Like this are better, like this is correct. This is wrong. Why it is wrong? Here also you check again. Minus 1, minus 4. Minus 4 right side.
Yes.
Means minus 4 is bigger. Actual number is bigger now. But actually minus 4 is not bigger. Minus 1 only big. Why you see? I borrowed 1 rupee. She borrowed 4 rupees. Who is better? I am only better, no. I borrowed less money. She borrowed more money. I am only better, no. So means which is bigger here? Minus 1 is bigger. Minus 4 is
Smaller.
So that's why what I am saying here. Minus 4 is smaller. That's why it should come back side, no. That's why be 0 back minus 1. That back minus 2. Back minus 3. Minus 4. Minus 5. Like this. Numbers we are going to take like these. So you see that when 0 is not there, they are natural numbers. When 0 is added, you have give another name. When these minus numbers are added, then these numbers are called as integers. What is this?
Integers.
And these are denoted by Z. These are denoted by
Z.
So these are called integer and these are denoted by
Z.
And these numbers are called as positive integers.
Positive integers.
And these numbers are called negative integers. Positive integers.
Negative integers.
0 is not positive, not negative. 0 is not positive,
not negative.
It is not a positive number, it is not a negative
Negative
number.
number.
These are positive numbers, these are
Negative numbers.
okay, do you understand? These all together are called as integers and these are denoted by
Z.
so means numbers. Here you have said that numbers are starting from 1 and ending I don't know. Here you said zeros are starting from 0 ending I don't know. But here what are you saying? Starting from 0, 1. Where the zeros numbers are starting from? I don't know. We don't know. Numbers are starting from I don't know. Ending also?
Don't.
Starting do you know?
No.
Starting also I don't know. We don't know the starting numbers and ending numbers. Numbers are infinite to infinite. We don't know from where it starts. We don't know where it ends. Where it is starting, you don't know. Where it is ending, I don't know. So that is number system. These are called as integers, and integers are denoted by. Okay, that is introduction for integers. We know about the natural numbers, whole numbers. Today about the integers. I think the situation also you understand. When you borrowed money, you should show minus. Okay, not only this situation, and one more most important situation I will say to you. Listen. You know the temperature. What means temperature? Do you know what is temperature?